Hello everyone, how are you? Let's begin today's session. Lecture number 4, the preposition in detail. Preposition. You just see that. What is the meaning of preposition? Preposition means pre yani before, and position yani place. Preposition. ठीक. Now move on the first preposition in. You can understood easily this type of preposition: in, on, before, at, from, for, behind, with, beside, near, between, among, below, under, beneath, above, over. This is a basic difference. It's not very hard. Now move on. The first one is in. See the example, it's easily you understood. We will reach in March. There are 5 books in the cupboard. यानी कबाड़ में 5 किताबें हैं. इन होता है इनका जो इन यानी अंदर, इन यानी ये देखें अंदर, इन माने अंदर. There are 3 birds in this case. केज माने पिंजरा कहते हैं जिसको, पांजरू. ठीक. Now let's move on. Second one, on. The books on यानी ऊपर. On mean ऊपर. The books are on the table. On the table. टेबल के ऊपर. We shall go on Monday. We shall go on Monday. हम मंडे को जाएंगे. ठीक है. Just basic. Just see the example. Now move on the before. Third one is the before. Jamil had reached before me. जमील मुझसे पहले पहुंच गया. Before. Before यानी पहले. पहले. Before. He stood before the table. ठीक. It's the easy. Now move the fourth one. At. Look at the picture. Look at यानी इसकी तरफ. at कहते हैं तरफ. Look at the picture. Junaid will meet at the bus stop. जुनैद मुझे बस स्टॉप में मिला. It's easy, but I prefer for those students who doesn't understand anything, and it's the basic to advanced English course. So move on. Fifth one is from Jabir came from Canada. Jabir Canada से आया. From यानी माथी. Canada माथी यानी कैनेडा की जाबिर आया. फॉर कहते हैं, फॉर किसको कहते हैं? माटे. फॉर यानी माटे. फॉर यानी माटे. He lived there 4 years. He lived there 4 years. He said that for my good. वो मेरे अच्छे के लिए कह रहा है. फॉर माई गुड यानी मेरे अच्छे के लिए कह रहा है. फॉर माई गुड, अच्छे के लिए. ठीक. Now move on the 7. Behind. What's the meaning of behind? Behind means it's just पीछे. It's move. It's पाछड़. पीछे. It's behind. Jamil came behind me. Jamil came behind him. He lived behind me. वो मेरे पीछे रहता है. ठीक. With is another preposition. With यानी वडे या साथे. समझ रहे हैं? साथ. ठीक है. देख ले. I always write with pencil. He went with her friend. I always write with pencil. या मैं हमेशा किसके लिखता हूँ? पेंसिल से लिखता हूँ. बिसाइड्स देखें बिसाइड कहते हैं बाजू में, बगल में, बगल में, बगल में, बाजू में। प्लीज़ सिट बिसाइड योर ब्रदर, मेहरबानी करके तुम्हारे भाई के बाजू में बैठो। ही केप्ट हिज फोन बिसाइड हिम, उसने अपना फ़ोन अपनी बगल में रखा है। ठीक, इट्स इजी, नॉट एनी हार्ड। द 10th one is near there is a school near my home. Jabir is standing near me. It's basic is just you see and you answered it. Between B is between A and C. It's a very good example. Another one is between. It's basic. Jamil is sitting between his parents. Among कहते हैं दो या दो से ज्यादा, बीच में, दो या दो से ज्यादा के बीच में among। He stand among their friends, वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के बीच में खड़ा है। दो या दो से ज़्यादा, देखिए बिटवीन और अमंग में यही डिफरेंस है। बिटवीन यानी दो के बीच में और अमंग यानी दो से ज़्यादा लोग हो ना, उसके बीच में। दिस कीप इन माइंड एंड नाउ मूव ऑन द अनदर वन इज बिलो। बिलो यानी नीचे, बिलो कहते हैं नीचे। अब देखें अंडर यानी भी नीचे, बीनीथ यानी भी नीचे। अंडरस्टैंड अ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन बिलो, अंडर एंड बीनीथ। Just simple is I take you, I understand, I show you below. The lamp is below the fan. The lamp is below the fan. It is just sentence for understanding, not grammar or etc. The book is below the table. The book is below the table. The phone is below the watch. It's just below. Just understand the preposition. Just you doesn't understand these sentences. It's not required. Just understand the preposition. Below, it's mean just a thing. It's like that. It's like that. It's the thing. Just see you. This book is below this book. This book is below this book. This notebook is above this book. This book is below this notebook. It's the meaning of below. Now you can under. Now move on under. It's under mane under, just the book is under this, or we can say the book is under this. The book is under this, or just go for beneath. Beneath means the book, this notebook is below this book, or this book, essential English grammar book, is beneath this English grammar. You can understand the between one of them object. It's called beneath. Below, under, beneath. Below, under, or beneath. Last one is beneath. This book, please remember this point. This book is beneath is this book. The book is essential English grammar beneath in this book. With essential English grammar book is beneath in this English grammar. It's called beneath. I just tell you the beneath mean is not directly, it's something having a between them. I think you understand. Now move on. Over and above, just basic. Over and above, the thing is directly above, directly over, any over on without any things like this. The notebook, this book is over this notebook. It's just simple mean this over. Now you can see that the bottle, this bottle is over this book. It's mean over, not anything between them. So it's the mean of directly with touch. Okay, no higher difference. Or you can use this. It's over, not this much height. It's only something far, something above, over. Now what is the mean of above? It's a simple mean. The sky is above your head. The sky is above of your head. Above and over, the difference, it simply mean above is a higher distance from your head, and over means not any more distant. ठीक? Understand? The today lecture is the end with these prepositions. I hope you doing well, understood well, and if you take a screenshot or any query, please tell me. Let's just take a screenshot. I can see that. Just you can take it. I think you will done it. Now move on the second one. It's the basic difference. This is over, above, beneath, under. It's not very hard. It's just piece of cake. Okay, thank you very much.